Andrei Lazarov. 10% talent. naporna работа. I 70% voda. Pelistarka 100% život.
Excellent preparation of the game. Germany was better in the defense, also in the offense. So what was the key of this big performance of your squad?
Well, I think the key was our, like you said, our really good defense. We, especially in the beginning of the game, we built a really good defense. We started with a 5-1 run, and I think this was a key factor, and also our goalkeeper.
Macedonia yesterday traveled 2 hours with the bus, then 6 hours with the train. Maybe they were tired for this kind of matches.
Maybe I talked to Gudjon Valur Sigurdsson of Iceland, and they had the same traveling situation, and he was really tired yesterday in the evening. That's bad for the teams, but you have to handle it, and we are lucky that we hadn't traveled that long.
Germany was clearly better. What was the key point of this last 16 game?
I think that was our defense with the great goalkeeper Silvio Heinevetter today, because after 40 minutes I think we have a little bit of time to come back for Macedonia, and then he was just in the best form of this match, and so we have to win.